Hi, my name is Wendy. It's March 30th, 2012. I'm speaking to you about why I will not elect Obama just because I will not vote for Obama just because of the health care reform or any of the senators that voted for the health care reform. Yes, we need health care reform in this country, but this was not the health care reform for us. And if the senators would have read what was in that health care reform, they would have known this is not right. And they should have stood up to Obama saying, no, this health care reform is not right for the American people. Yes, we need health care reform, but this is not the right reform for us. Ever since the health care reform has been passed, my health insurance has gone up by 25%. It has gone from $197 a pay period, which is every 2 weeks, to now $366.90 per pay period, which is now $750 a month for health care. My deductible also has gone up. It started off with only a $1,500 deductible total for the family to now it is $3,000 per person deductible, $9,000 for the family, plus a $250 medicine deductible. So I cannot continue to afford health care and continue to afford to live. So I decided to drop my health care insurance. I also looked into a private policy for myself and my 2 children. My daughter has a heart condition, and due to that heart condition, they upped her policy coverage by 400%. The cost was going to cost me $1,600 a month just to cover my daughter. $1,600 a month just for her. You heard that right, $1,600. So you tell me, how in the world is anybody going to be able to afford health care? The way the prices are going up, more and more people will continue to drop their health care and decide to pay for the penalty for in 2014 not having health insurance. Because I have decided that I dropped my health insurance because I cannot continue to afford health care. So you tell me, how has this health care reform helped me? It hasn't. Yes, you got rid of pre-existing condition, but you haven't stopped the prices of health care going up and up. So you tell me, with the prices continued going up and up, how has anybody continued to be able to have health care? You have the welfare recipients that sit on their Humpty Dumpty ass selves, not doing a damn thing, not even trying to get a job, but they continue to get health care. They continue to get food stamps. They continue to get all the assistance in the world. And if you're illegal, you continue to get the assistance as well. So where's my help? I make $6,000 above the what you can make to get assistance. So is that fair? I pay into the system all the time through my taxes. So how is that fair for me to continue to pay for somebody to sit on their Humpty Dumpty selves, get money for their housing, get money for their food, get health care for free? How is that fair for me? I'm paying in the system and I can't get any help because I make too much money. I am penalized for making too much money. But then you have people that are completely homeless. They can't even get welfare because they don't have a home to be able to stay at, to have an address so welfare can send them what they need to send them information. Is that fair for them? No. But yet you have this group that can sit in their Humpty Dumpty selves, not even try to work, pop babies out left and right, and get all the assistance all day long. Is that fair? No. Welfare was meant years ago to assist. That means to go out, work, and if you didn't make ends and meet and you needed help, that welfare was there to help you, give you a supplement for your food, give you supplement for your health insurance. It was to assist, not to sit at home, make a living off of it, and not even put into the system. That is not what welfare was about. But yet I'm punished because I do work and I don't want to go into debt. My daughter had $7,600 worth of medical bills last year. I picked up a second job to pay off those medical bills because I did not want to be in debt. I didn't get assistance for that. I had to work for that. Why do I have to continue to work, make too much money above the system to get any help, but now I've had to drop my health care because I make too much, I cannot afford it. So you tell me, where in the world is my assistance, the one that busts their butts off, that puts into the system, where is our help? I am sick and tired of hearing and moaning and groaning, oh, I'm owed. I'm owed. You're not owed anything because you don't pay into the system. Get off your butt, go to work, and when you get off your butt and you pick up some kind of job, I don't care what it is, then you're owed health care, and then you're owed assistance. But until then, if you don't get off your butt to help, then you don't deserve to get Medicare, Medicaid, get all the free stuff. Get off your butt, go to work, start putting into the system, start paying like I have to. And then where is my system? We either need to go from either complete socialized medicine, or we need to decide this is a business. And if it's a business, then you can't demand us to carry health insurance until on 2014. But if you want us to go socialized, then you need to go all the way socialized. I am sick of y'all sitting up there not feeling the pain because you have your own health insurance and you're not even into this system. So if it's good enough for me, then it should be good enough for our senator and good enough for our president to be into this system. This is not fair. You tell me how in the world am I supposed to have health insurance and be able to afford it? So no, this healthcare reform, it sucks. You haven't done anything for me or for a lot of people. So senators, if you're patting yourself on the back, President Obama, if you're patting yourself on the back, I don't see where you deserve a pat on your back, because you have made my life absolutely miserable and stressed out to no end, because I can't afford health insurance no longer for my daughter or for my family. And all I can do is hope and pray to God that nothing will happen to her and that I will never have to have her go into the hospital and have those enormous medical bills. So you tell me, why are you patting yourself on the back and bragging about this healthcare reform? Because I'm not seeing how great this healthcare reform that you're bragging about. All I see is it sucks and it needs to be repealed, because this is not a healthcare reform. It's a sinking boat. Get out, start belling it out, senators. Start doing what's right for us, the working American people that are busting their butts off but can't afford it. Do something about it. Stop saying I'm a Democrat and I'm a Republican. Come together, do what you're supposed to do, and make it right for the American people again.